Hey YouTube, Untamed here. I'm going to show you this pretty well built 200 series Land Cruiser. Whoa, utter carnage out here. I'm out at the Overland Expo event here in Loveland, Colorado. Figured I'd just kind of geek out on a few of the vehicles out here. This one in particular definitely caught my attention for obvious reasons, with it just being an incredible build. So you got a ARB front bumper, safari snorkel on the side, ARB lights up front, and an old man emu. It looks like a BP51. I think it is, yeah. Well, old man emu lift kit, which brings it up. Looks at very least 2 inches up. Some Nitto Ridge Grappler tires. These are among my favorite. These in BF Goodrich Ridge KO2s are my top 2 favorite, but these Icon wheels definitely complement this white paint extremely well. Kind of giving it that Heritage Edition look. ARB base rack up top, and of course ARB rear bumper with the swing out for that spare tire and spare wheel. Yeah, let me know what your thoughts are on this. Let me know how this compares to that bad Johnny down there. So I'll show you that here in a second, a real brief walk around. But it's not every day you do a side-by-side look at a 200 series, especially a nicely built one next to that new 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser. So two very different beasts. Of course, this has that 5.7 liter V8, whereas that one down there has a 2.4 cylinder 4-cylinder, or 2.4 liter 4-cylinder. So let's go look at this. This is that iForce Max, 326 horsepower, 465 foot-pounds of torque. So impressive figures, even more impressive than the V8 over there, which is pretty incredible. I love the aggressive body lines and of course the wide fender flares on it. It definitely is a sleek ride. The grayscale two-tone roof with the integrated roof rack from factory. This particular one is the first edition. Now, absolutely love it. Love it, love it. Love the flat paint. Looks awesome. And this back end, I do wish that there was that split hatch, kind of like what we find in that 200 series over there. We at least do get the pop-up window. At least we get something out back. Pretty bland wheels, but still, they kept the cost pretty low as they could. So starting in the mid-50s for the 1958 edition, the mid-tier probably be in the high 50s or even low 60s, and this will be probably low 60s to mid-60s for the first edition. I'm just guessing on that, but absolutely love the way it looks. It really is a showstopper in person. Let me know what you think of these headlights. Do you prefer those over the rectangular ones on the quote-unquote mid-tier Land Cruiser? Alright guys, well, we'll wrap up the video there. Just want to do a real quick side-by-side walk around of these two living legends. You know, are you with the future? Are you with the the old tried and trusted at this point? Appreciate you watching as always. Till next time.